Good morning, everybody. Wolf Fang here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Oh my God, the wind is there's twigs on the ground and everything. Oh, this wind is so strong. Oh my God, they said it's supposed to get worse. Hang on. Okay, I got the phone back. So anyway, yep, we got some wind going on, rain. I'm walking in the rain. The wind just picked up. It's only 11:39. They say that it's supposed to get stronger by this afternoon. They're letting us leave at 2:30. Oh my! Look at that twig! Wow. Some of those news reporters out there, when there's weather like this, kill me. Anyway, if you're in the path of this storm, they're saying flooding is the worst. So if you're out, be careful.